Good morning, guys. Hope you all are doing amazing. So one of the first things I do every morning when I come outside is check up on these gophers. This is the tool I've been using to get rid of them. It's got poison in it, and you just stab it in the ground and inject poison or put poison pellets into their tunnels. So it's pretty much gotten rid of all these gophers, except for there's one dickhead over in this corner here that I still need to get rid of. You can see there's still a good amount of mounds he's pushing up. So here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna poke around. Oh, this tunnel's right there. Just give this lever a little twisty, and it puts poison right into the tunnel. So at one point this whole lawn was just filled with mounds, and this is all that's pretty much left just in this corner here. The rest of it's in pretty good shape, thankfully. So if any of you guys are homeowners and you have a problem with moles, voles, or gophers, this is the ticket. This is called a bait applicator. I got this one on Amazon, and I got the poison pellets on Amazon as well. I'll actually put the links for those, or to where I found those, down in the description. It's time to ship out this piston that I gave away in the last video. What's super cool is the winner, Max, is actually from Finland. I get asked quite a bit, are you Finnish? So my grandparents on my dad's side were born in Finland, so I do have some Finnish heritage. Comment down below if you are Finnish. I'm curious to see how many Finns are out there. I just picked up a new toy for you guys. This is called a DJI Ronin gimbal. Basically what it does is it stabilizes the shot. You can run pretty much full speed with the camera mounted on this setup, and it produces just a buttery smooth shot. I'm gonna bring the 110 out onto the pit bike track and show you guys what this gimbal is capable of. Epic edit coming right now. I hope you guys enjoyed that little edit. It is so much fun shooting with that gimbal. It makes life so much easier. You guys will definitely be seeing more videos like this in the future. So I'm browsing Craigslist and I came across this TT So I'll show you what's up with it. It doesn't want to rev out at all. Sounds pretty cool, doesn't it? Definitely a carburetor issue. So I'm not gonna have time in today's video to work on this TTR. You'll have to wait a few days, but I'm excited to tear into this thing and figure out what's up with it. Hopefully it's just a minor deal with the carburetor. I'm just gonna tear it apart and clean this thing up and just do a whole cleanup on the whole bike. I should probably mention this TTR is not the next project bike. I bought it just to dick around with for a few hours and maybe flip it, make a few $100. Or I might part it, I might keep it, not even sure yet. I guess we'll figure that out in the next video. But check this out, it's pissing gas pretty hard. Definitely has some carburetor issues. Earlier I showed you guys the pit bike track back here with those gimbal shots, but you have yet to see the big bike track out this way. So it's not quite finished up yet, and it's been overgrown with weeds for the past year or so, but I've got some big plans with it. So as of now, got a good sized double way out there, and then this pile of dirt is gonna be a big tabletop. So you know what, to give you a better perspective, I'm gonna climb up on top of the roof and show you guys what it looks like from up there. All right, hopefully you guys are not scared of heights. We're gonna go way up there. Check out that view. This is so sweet looking from up here. So as you can tell, that is the pit bike track. And the big bike track is out this way. So like I was saying, I've got this big double out in the middle. And this is gonna be a huge, huge tabletop. I'm not sure how big I'm gonna go with it, but I always thought it'd be super cool to have a huge jump right next to your house. This big track is basically gonna take up the back half of my land, which is about 10 acres. So it's gonna be a pretty good sized track. The layout's already been established. I just need to move a lot of dirt, create some mountains basically. And then the pit bike track sits on a 150 by 150 foot square. So not really that huge. The rest of this acreage is another 10 acres up front. So I've got a total of 20 acres out here. If everything goes to plan, I'll have some equipment out here next week, and I'll be moving a ton of dirt on this big track. So you'll definitely be seeing some videos from that. Coming up here definitely brings back some memories from when I moved into this place a few years ago. One of the first things I did was build this pit bike track. I was just so stoked to have my own land finally. I'm like, all right, I'm gonna build a sweet track right in my front lawn basically. And it really is a dream come true to look out my front window and see this track here. It is just super cool, but might as well build another track, right? This track is gonna be even more epic. Should probably get down from here now, see if I can slide all the way down. Who needs a slide when you have a metal roof? Oh man. All right, this is a sketchy part. Coming down this ladder with a camera. Alrighty guys, we're coming up on the end of the day now, and I'm just out here watching the sun go down. Such amazing sunsets we have out here in Washington. We're pretty lucky. For you guys that stuck around till the end of the video, I've got something cool for you. Insert riding footage from the other day right now.